Welcome back, I'm Kika. Grab your art supplies and let's get started. We're going to be drawing a red cap mushroom. I'll be using my iPad and the Procreate app. If you're using that, I'll link the brushes below. If you're not using a tablet or phone, grab a piece of paper, construction paper, crayons, pencil crayons, paints, whatever you like to use. The important thing is we're gonna have fun. So today will be a simple video, the red cap mushroom. Every day this week we'll draw a new mushroom, and at the end of the week, we'll put them all together and draw this kind of mushroom-like village. So let's begin. Red cap mushroom. First off, let's draw half a circle. And then close it off with a bit of a wave. It doesn't have to be straight because mushrooms are never perfect. Beautiful. We need white circles. So I'm going to draw out these red circles, and I just won't color it on the inside. Already colored in there, and maybe a smaller one right here. So now I will just color in everywhere else. So let me know in the comments, what art supplies are you using? I'm actually using a crayon brush from the Bardo website. It's free. The link is below if you want to grab it too. Maybe you're using watercolors or markers. Markers are fun too. Just round out that one. Nice. Now that we have that, I'm gonna grab, for the stem, I'm gonna grab like a light yellowy orange color, super light. And the stem is pretty much going to be about your thumb's width. Like so. And when you're using crayons or markers or pencil crayons, always you want to start off with the lightest color first, because darker colors can go on top easier. So I'm just drawing a basic rectangle. And once I have that rectangle, I'm just gonna add some little bit of a wobble or a curve to the sides, because mushrooms are never perfect. And now I'll grab like a little bit of a darker color, a darker yellow, and add some extra detail here, like so. Because a lot of times they have this extra texture. It's almost like a little skirt looking. Like so. Beautiful. So that is face on. Beautiful red colors. Now you can color the background. If you drew this on construction paper, that's even more fun. I will add a background color just around it, maybe green. The red pops more in the base. Nice and simple. Quick art tutorial. You can draw a whole bunch of different size mushrooms on your page if you prefer. And when you're done, send this video to a friend so they can also draw it with you. Take a picture of your drawing, send it to a friend. It's always more fun when you get more people involved. Nice. Now, if you want to add a little bit more detail, grab that same color of that skirt looking extra texture, a little bit deeper color, and just add a few lines on the stem here. Just a little bit, especially like right under. Ever so slightly. And here you can do that as well. Add some like shading. Give it a little bit more texture. Beautiful. And that's enough. Just a little bit. You can grab even like a light brown and go over here one more time. Beautiful. Okay. There we go. Our classic red cap mushroom. Over the next few days, we're going to draw different mushrooms and then put it all together. So come back for the next video. See you soon. Don't forget to have fun. And I can't wait to see your results. Make sure to send me a picture, your Instagram, and comment below and YouTube. What's your favorite color? What art supplies are you using? So we can get to know each other a little bit more. Talk to you soon.